friends, my name is Diana Desai and welcome to lesson 3 of my beginner flutist video series. In today's lesson, you're going to learn your first 3 notes on the flute, B, A, G. And you're also going to learn 2 simple melodies using only these 3 notes. If you haven't seen lesson 1 and 2, we already learned how to assemble the flute, how to make the first sound on the flute, as well as proper flute posture and how to hold and balance the flute. So you can go ahead to my channel and take a look at these videos. Now that we have our flute nicely balanced on our chin, left hand index finger and right hand thumb, we're going to learn one more very important finger position, and that is the position of our right hand pinky finger. And this finger is very important because actually it's the only finger that is going to stay on the same key for almost all the notes that we have on the flute. And the key for the pinky finger of our right hand is this little key right here on your foot joint. This is the home key of the right hand pinky finger, which means that it will only be on this key and it will not go anywhere else. And almost for every single note that we have on the flute, with just a few exceptions, the pinky is going to be here. So to the 3 points of balance of your chin, your left hand index finger and your right hand thumb, you're going to add the right hand pinky and put it on this key here. Now let's learn the fingering for the note B. It's very simple. There are only 3 fingers involved in this note. The first one is your right hand pinky. It's going to be down on this key, how we just learned. And then the index finger of your left hand is going to go on this key right here. It's going to be pressing this key. And then the left hand thumb is going to go on this key right here. And make sure that you're not putting it on the key above it, so on this one, because that will be a B flat, which we don't want to play for now. So it will go on this bottom key. Also, make sure that you're not holding your thumb in this way. It has to be nicely rounded so that you're kind of pressing the key with the tip of your thumb, like this. Now that we have the fingers down, let's play this note. To play the note A, we're going to be bringing one more finger down, and that is the 3rd finger in our left hand, and it's going to come right on this key right here. And if you have an open hole flute like mine is, make sure that your finger goes right in the middle of the key so that it covers the hole completely. And now let's play it. Keep the pinky finger down. Now that you know how to play both of these notes, let's practice alternating between the 2 notes, playing B and then A, like this. So you will just be blowing the air out into the flute and only moving this 3rd finger up and down, up and down. To play G, we're going to do the same thing that we did for A. So the index finger down, the thumb down, the 3rd finger down, and the pinky of the right hand. And we'll just bring one more finger down, which is the 4th finger in our left hand is going to come on this key right here and in the middle of the key. Let's play it. And now that you know this note, let's practice alternating between A and G, like this. And then let's practice alternating B, A, G. So the fingers just come down one after the other, like this. Very simple. Let's learn a simple melody using these 3 notes. also play another simple melody, like this. When learning these notes, make sure that you're holding the fingers of your left hand above the keys of the flute all the time, that they're not coming down like this. This is a common beginner mistake, so try to avoid it. Keep them above the flute. Also, make sure that you're holding down the pinky of your right hand for all of these notes. And one more time. If you need more instruction, you can have a private online lesson with me by following the link in the description. I'll be posting more videos for beginners on a weekly basis, so you can subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of them. I hope you have a wonderful week and see you next time.